welcome to LA Love Creative. Today we're going to talk about how to shoot bohemian. We recently had a shoot that was a lot of fun, and we captured behind the scenes and a really cool location and all this good stuff, so we thought, you know what, it's time to show y'all how to do a bohemian photo shoot.
So today we're gonna give our top tips on shooting bohemian. A bohemian photo shoot is very free-spirited, laid back, almost kind of hippie, and surprisingly a lot of planning goes into these types of shoots compared to street photography or any other type of photography you do. So today we're gonna talk about our little tips, our little tricks that we've learned and things to consider when you're shooting bohemian style photography.
So with a location for bohemian, you can, of course, you can go outside, just make sure it's beautiful, and in those cases where you are gonna shoot outside, you really are gonna have to focus on making sure that your model looks as bohemian as possible. So step up the styling and everything. But for location, you want a good location that has indoor and outdoor settings. The more settings you can do, the better. Cool wallpaper, cool aesthetics, all of that good stuff. For our location, we were so lucky. It had a tub outside, an outdoor tub that worked. It had mirrors outside, lots of plants, lots of greenery, and like blue and white and a fire pit and a fountain, I think. It was amazing.
Our host was awesome. We got him off of Peerspace, so if you guys are ever looking for a great location, the link is below. When it comes to bohemian shoots, I personally think natural light is your best friend. When you're shooting natural light, it really just goes with the hippie tones and the natural vibe that you're going for this type of shoot. I prefer sunset. When you're shooting sunset, you get that magic hour, you get that golden look to all your images. For camera settings, I prefer to shoot with a higher shutter speed, so that way you can have your model, especially if you have a professional model, you can have them move freely and not have to worry about them going in and out of focus or getting weird blurs or stuff like that.
With this kind of photo shoot, you really need to pinpoint what style you're going for so that you don't come off as amateur or like you don't know what you're doing. Especially if you have the theme, I'm gonna do bohemian, you gotta stick to it. So look at inspiration online, search what it means to be bohemian, look at websites and brands that you wanna work with, and try to copy those color tones and that style. Now with bohemian, you are gonna be working more with flowy clothes that drape off the body, muted colors, lots of accessories, think headscarves, headbands, hats, lots of earrings and rings. That will all make your outfit pop more. So to recap how to shoot bohemian, you want to find the right location, shoot the right time of day, styling your shoot. If you like this video, make sure that you follow us on social media, it's down below, and hit us up if you have any questions on photography or filmmaking.
Feel free to share, like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time on the next video.
Or, okay, duh.
I don't know.